Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start with 2 prerequisites, the right medkit and a quick slot binding. Equip them now. Immediately find partial cover, because using a medkit exposed wastes time and risk. Once behind cover, pop the medkit with a short 1-2 second application and move to a safer position while it ticks. Make sure to cancel other actions to avoid interruptions. This sequence cuts downtime and keeps you ready to re-engage faster, which is why these first actions matter so much for survival. Once done with the initial bind, refine your mid-use technique. You perform peak heal to minimize exposure. You step out just enough to start the medkit, then duck instantly behind cover so the heal continues uninterrupted. Make sure to combine movement, sprint into cover heal, then dash out to reposition or escape. If enemy pressure increases, abort and reposition. You keep the medkit ready. This layered execution reduces interruption and explains why mobility during healing wins more fights. Finish by confirming your health reached the desired threshold, then check nearby enemies and your ammo so you can re-engage confidently. If the medkit is interrupted, create instant cover with smoke or sound, or quick swap items to cancel and reapply. This buys time. If you get stuck in the heal animation, toggle crouch or switch weapons briefly. That usually resets the action. These last steps close the loop, and knowing the fixes keeps you from losing rounds because of a single interrupted heal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.